Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. While locking your screen, there will be a small sound. While unlocking your screen, there will also be a small sound. Okay, listen here. Listen carefully. So if you want to turn off this screen lock unlocking sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select more sounds, and here turn off this button lock screen sound, so that screen lock unlocking sound will not appear. Okay, see here, listen here. There is no sound while locking and unlocking my phone. In this way, you can easily turn off screen lock or unlocking sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.